Hello guys, Peaceful Game here, and I'm with nobody. And today, I know that this was made like 7 hours ago or 6 hours ago, but it was made at 1:45. I saw the notification, but I did not watch it, guys. So let's get straight into it. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want?
I guess to start here, he has hiccups.
It's in my pee-pee in the toilet seat. Jeffy, you have the hiccups. The hiccups? Why? I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that. I can't help it, Daddy. Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time. Hold my breath? Yeah. Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore.
By the way, guys, it's 9:57 a.m. Where are you now? A.m.
Oh, okay, you breathe. Jeffy!
I live in the U.S.
Oh, no.
Here lies Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
Unsubscribe.
That can't happen. Jeffy, come on. CPR.
No, but that would be true, though. A lot of people subscribe to Jeffy. But no, I subscribed when Junior was in there, you know?
Okay, I'm going to call a doctor.
I
He's going to have to get rid of those. I can't say they're annoying.
2012 or something. 2012 or
Alright, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
You call the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Dad. Damn it, stop hitting me. And I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What, there's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Yeah,
Coffee of the day.
Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You were a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say
Oh, there's my cat.
Really get up in there. It smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of
Pepperoni.
hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to boom. Yeah, that didn't work. All right. Well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is boom.
Boom.
No, not quite.
Boom,
I'm
boom.
gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Boom.
Oh, man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
Wait,
All right, well,
I think I just noticed.
basically, boom.
I think Mario's getting scared. And
All right, that's not working. Come on, follow me. Boom! Back on that! Yeah, come on. Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Boom! Ah, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
What?
All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy? Yeah.
Oh, I
All
see.
right, on to
Because
stage
sometimes the
3.
balloon's scared.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
Alright, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon.
What?
Sharon,
No.
what is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not helping. Where's my kid so I can yell at him? Don't make me get the mask. Boo! Yeah. Did that work? Alright, on to stage 4. Alright, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
A crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
What happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
Alright, let me go get my goggles. Boom! Man, I'm gonna get him eventually. Alright, let's do this!
Okay.
Alright, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready? Yeah.
Smack your diaper.
Yeah, he's ready.
Come on.
Okay, 3,
I guess he's not gonna do
2,
that.
1.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Alright, so you hit the apple.
He still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Well, what are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah, okay, on to stage 5.
I mean, I have Probably a bunch of holes. Like, I have a big crack in my downstairs. I do not have a ceiling fan. I used to, guys. And my mom and dad took it off because they thought that I was going to be stupid and stand up on the bed and that would hit the fan.
It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Firecracker. Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the next one.
Oh no.
Alright, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the twister mat.
With the twister mat?
Hold up, guys. I'm gonna be right back. So I'm gonna just pause the recording real quick. Alright, we're back.
Like the ball game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
Alright, champ, there you go.
No, Jeffy! Damn, that's so edited.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone? What do we do now?
Alright,
Yeah,
it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
Alright, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. That's good. Alright, how much I owe you?
$7.72.
Okay, let me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home. Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it and I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no, what a scary situation. How are we gonna pay you? What do we do?
You leave.
How embarrassing. Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work.
Yeah, that didn't work at all.
So I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, I know that fidget spinners are old, but I found my blue fidget spinner right
I
here.
hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What? Incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for
It's not the Dan TDM one, just
Alright. I had to
for
try
you
this
guys
one more
believe
time.
me, it's, you see, not the Dan TDM one. Not yet. But definitely gonna get it soon.
Get out of here, you stupid fly.
There we go.
Come on, Jeffy, it's just a fly. I know, Dave, but it was really scary.
Alright, hiccups.
Jeffy,
I don't think he has hiccups.
hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, do you have hiccups?
Oh, yep, it's gone. Here's the video.
What? I think that fly. It cured his hiccups.
Oh, no.
No, please don't have it.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Blow!
Oh, yeah, that probably already made it get out. Would you scare someone if you had to? I mean, yeah, sure. And I already saw a chilly video. The SML movie's not coming out at the end of July. It's coming out around September something. So school's in there when school probably starts, which is on August 29th or 9/20s, or the 30th, or the 28th, or the 31st, or September 1st. But we don't know. So, thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, comment, and please subscribe. Goodbye! And you see, there's the video. See, let's talk. The SML movie update and more. Alright, so, bye.